So, okay, S51, the wireless earbuds, is sold at the moment on the Amazon UK under the brand of Orsnog or something like this. Soon they will be sold also on Amazon USA. Okay, just a quick unboxing. So at the back we have some specs, sealed a little bit. So let's quickly unseal it. Let's see what impression they make on me. I've already I've reviewed more than 10 of those. Okay, so the shape of those, let's get them out of the box. Okay, so what we have, we've got the manual, we've got okay, these things, the ear pads, or what you call them, USB-C cable. Okay, this is good, finally USB-C. And oh, it looks like a nice manual actually. Oh, I like when companies make good manuals. Okay, let's have a look at the headphones themselves. Okay, so okay, nicely packed. Okay, oh, this is kind of interesting, glittery. A little bit glittery. Okay, so right, 100%. Oh, this is nice. Not many companies actually provide fully charged battery cases. Okay, let's remove these from the box. Okay, left and right clearly labeled. Okay, this is, I like that. So which was which? So right, this is right, yeah. Okay, let's see the fit. Okay, the fit seems to be okay. Okay, they seem alright. Oh, they sit well in the ears. They will definitely not fall out easily. Oh yeah, one of the best, I think, if you're looking for something for running or jogging or other sports, this will be a good consideration. Okay, I'm going to connect them to my phone now. Right, so I'm not sure how to turn them on. So first I put them in the box. Let's see what happens. Okay, charging left, right. Oh, this is cool. It's showing that it's charging left and right. So this is a useful thing. Okay, cool. So I'm going to open them. Let's see what happens when I remove them. Okay, I can hear some sound. Not sure where it comes from. Okay, I'm going to unlock my phone. Let's see if we can find them here. Okay, oh, actually, yeah. S51 already is showing here, so I'm going to connect. Okay, tap on that. Let's see what happens, how quickly it will connect. Okay, pair. Connected, I heard in my ears. Okay, cool. Right, still I'm feeling quite comfortable wearing them, so that's a good sign. Although I can feel them a little bit. I think long term it might not be that great. But anyway, so I'm going to play some chill out. Come on. Okay, yeah. This is good. Ooh, okay. Okay, very loud and strong bass, a little bit too strong for me. Let me check other songs. Okay, I moved them a bit, so the bass is now a bit better. So let's move them back. Okay, so in this position they're quite boomy, bassy. say, oh, I'm blinded by the lights. Okay, so, right. So this is a quick test. I think that they're good enough for the price, definitely the good. So the bass is very strong, especially in certain position. So they will be good for some people who like really boomy bass. For those who like a little bit nicer bass, I think you need to be looking at something more expensive, and that's expected at this price range. Are they kind of touch controlled? Oh yeah, they have a touch control. So, oh, this is nice. And that works really well, actually. Okay. Bang. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Double tap. Double tap next. Double tap. Back. Double tap. Back. Okay. Double tap next. Double tap next. You want it? Come and get it if you really. Come and get it if you really want it. Okay, first impression is very good. Now, the sound quality is not great, but this price range, I think will be acceptable for most people, because, you know, if you're spending at the moment, it's like £28, I don't think you can expect much more. I mean, maybe you can, but it's difficult to find it. So they're very decent for the price. Now, I obviously I'm gonna test them for a week or so to see how they perform, because I know many headphones, I change my mind either way. Either, you know, I start liking the headphones or earbuds even more, or less, depending, you know, what happens in that test period. So see you in a week or maybe 2 weeks time with a full review of those headphones. So far, so good. I think worth giving a try. Yeah, cautiously. Okay, ciao.